Week 1, Lecture 1, Exploring .NET Framework. .NET, pronounced .NET, framework is a platform made to develop applications. It runs on Windows and some other .NET systems. .NET enables the creation of applications to run on desktops, Windows Store applications, cloud and web API, and much more. .NET Framework can be implemented using various languages including C#, C++, Visual Basic, and JavaScript. There are specific versions created to work with many of these languages. The .NET Framework consists of a large library of code that can be utilized from many client languages using object-oriented programming, or OOP, techniques. Modules are used to categorize and subcategorize code according to purpose, such as Windows apps, network programs, web development, and so on. Part of the library defines basic types or ways of representing data, which facilitates the interoperability between languages that use .NET Framework, called the Common Type System, or CTS. Along with the library, .NET Framework includes the Common Language Runtime, or CLR, which executes applications that use the .NET library. When code is written in the client language using the .NET library, it needs to be compiled, a method of converting C# or other language into something the target operating system can execute, also called native code. In .NET, this is a two-step process. Code is initially compiled into Common Intermediate Language, CIL, which is not specific to any particular operating system or language. A just-in-time, or JIL, compiler will compile the CIL into native code specific to the operating system. In most cases, compilation takes place as the application is running, also referred to as on the fly. Once the code is compiled, it is stored in an assembly which includes application files such as exe files, as well as libraries, or DLL, that can be used by any application. Meta information and other resources are also stored in the assembly. Meta information allows assemblies to be descriptive, so no other information is needed to run if desired. Once code is compiled, the CLR continues to manage memory, security, debugging, and more. In C#, code can be written to be managed. Managed code also ensures memory is freed up after use through a method called garbage collection, which periodically scans memory for anything no longer needed.